Dear students, now we will see the distribution of Gondwana system in India. Here you can see in the map that this pink color represents the Gondwana system of and Vindhyan system. But where here you can see the Gondwana system represented by G. In this map you can see that in river valley of Son, Narmada, Damodar, Mahanadi and Godavari, we find the Gondwana systems of rocks. Actually, the sediments found in river valley of Son, Narmada, Damodar, Mahanadi are east to west, while the sediments found in Godavari valley is from northwest to southeast. It means the direction of valley are not the same. It is quite different. The outcrop of this system is also found in patches at Kashmir, Chennai, Guntur, Rajahmundry, Vijayawada, Tiruchirappalli and Ramanathapuram. Students, now we see the classification of Gondwana system. It is very important that there is no uniformity among scientists about the classification of Gondwana system of India. Some has given 3-4 classification, whereas some has given 2-4 classification. E. Festmental, Lele and Bredenberg and D. N. Wadia, the famous geologist of India, has given 3-4 classification for Gondwana system of India, whereas C. S. Fox and Cotter has given 2-4 classification for Gondwana system of India. In 3-4 classification, Panchet series has given separate space or separate division as a different series. The 2-4 classification is popular and accepted among the scholars. According to 2-4 classification, a slight unconformity is found between Upper and Lower Gondwana. If we consider about the age of Gondwana, the age of Lower Gondwana is from Upper Carboniferous to Lower Triassic, whereas Upper Gondwana age is of Upper Triassic to Jurassic and Lower Cretaceous. The distribution of Lower Gondwana system contains unconformity between upper and lower system. When we study about lower system, it is further subdivided into 3 series: Talcher, Damoda and Panchet series. Among all the series of this system, Talcher series makes base for further above series. Talcher series forms the basement for the system and can be divided into further 3 stages. Actually, the scientists or geologists have divided Talcher series into 3 sub-stages. Here, boulder beds of cold climate are found in the thickness of 50 to 200 feet. Above this deposition of Talcher stage found, which contains sandstone and deposits of green shale. Above this deposit, Rikwa stage is found, which is full with sandstone too. The deposits of sandstone and shale of Talcher and Rikwa are 500 to 900 feet in thickness. The age of this deposit seems to be of Upper Carboniferous by the scholars. Here you can see the succession of Gondwana system. In this chart you can see the Gondwana system divided into lower and upper Gondwana system by this unconformity represented by U. Lower Gondwana has been divided into Talcher, Damoda and Panchet series, whereas Upper Gondwana has been divided into Mahadeva, Rajmahal and Jabalpur series. The Talcher series further subdivided into Boulder Bed, Talcher and Rikwa stage, whereas Damoda series has been divided into Karharbari, Barakar, Baran, Majors and Raniganj stage and Panchet into Panchet stage. Mahadeva series has been also subdivided into Panchmadi and Malaria stage, whereas Rajmahal series has been subdivided into Rajmahal and Kota stage. Jabalpur series also subdivided, which is the uppermost layer or deposits of Gondwana system, has been also subdivided into Chaughan, Jabalpur and Umia stages. The age of all these systems and series and stages are here for you. Talchir series, which contains boulder bed, Talchir and Rikwa series, Rikwa stage contains the age of Upper Carboniferous. It means the age of Talchir series, which is subdivided into Rikwa, Talchir and boulder bed, has the age of Carboniferous period. During Carboniferous period, boulder bed, Talchir and Rikwa series were deposited. Karharbari stage and Barakar stage were formed during Lower Permian, whereas barren measures formed during Middle Permian, Mid Permian, and Raniganj stage formed during Upper Triassic period, and Panchir stage formed during Lower Triassic. According to geologists or scientists, Panchmari stage contains the age of Upper Triassic Kuiper and Maleri stage of Upper Triassic Rhaetic. Rajmahal stage is of Lower Jurassic, whereas Kota stage is of Mid-Jurassic period. Chaughan series and Jabalpur series has the age of Upper Jurassic, whereas Umia stage has Upper Cretaceous age. It means Gondwana system has the age of the deposition of Upper Carboniferous to Upper Cretaceous period. Between this period, Gondwana system was formed. If we further study about the Damoda series, Talchir series we have already discussed. Damoda series, the deposit or sediments of sandstone, shale and of coal above Talchir series of Permian age are known as Damoda series of Gondwana system. The very name has been acquired after Damodar river of Jharkhand. The series is further subdivided into Karharbari, Barakar, barren measures and Raniganj stage. The Karharbari group of coal is found at Giridih in Jharkhand. The coal seams of this stage are found with sandstone and shale of 200 to 400 feet thick. Above Karharbari stage, Barakar stage deposits are found. The very name which comes after Barakar river of West Bengal. The well outcrop of this Barakar stage is near Jharia coalfield. Here coal seams of 2500 feet are found along with sandstone, grit and conglomerate. Barren measures are found above Barakar stage where no coal deposits are found. That's why it is called barren measures, barren layers. Students, the barren measures contains no deposits of coal. Only sandstone and iron stones are found here. Coal seams along with sandstone and shale are found above barren measures, popularly known as Raniganj stage. Raniganj coalfield belongs to this stage. This is the uppermost stage of Damoda series of Upper Triassic age. Panchet series, the name is derived from Panchet Hill. The Panchet Hills series contains sandstone and shale of 1500 to 2000 feet. The series is devoid of any coal beds. Students, now we will learn about Upper Gondwana. The lower and upper Gondwana system is bifurcated by the line of unconformity. The deposits of Upper Triassic to Upper Cretaceous are known as Upper Gondwana system. It is further subdivided into three stages, that is Mahadeva, Rajmahal and Jabalpur stages. Mahadeva series, the lowermost deposits of Upper Gondwana is called Mahadeva series. The Mahadeva series is further subdivided into Panchmari and Maleri stages. This Panchmari stage has well developed outcrop in Panchmari, Satpura Hills and Panchmari Hills. It contains sandstone, clay and hematite clay and iron elements. On the basis of fossils found in this series, the age has been considered to Triassic Kuiper. Above this Mahadeva stage, Maleri stage has been found. It is well developed near Hyderabad. The age of this stage is Triassic Rhaetic on the basis of fossils reptile and fishes are found in this stage. Rajmahal series is found above the layer of Malaria stage. Rajmahal lava deposits are found of Jurassic age of 4,000 square kilometer in 1,500 to 2,000 feet thickness. Here grit with sandstone is found. Kota stage is found over Rajmahal stage. The Kota stage is found near Godavari Valley in about 2,000 feet of thickness. This stage contains sandstone, grit and limestone along with coal. Resident the Jabalpur series. This is the uppermost layer or deposit of Upper Gondwana. It is found above Kota stage and have been further subdivided into three stages: Chaughan, Jabalpur and Umia stage. Chaughan stage is lowest stage of this series. Chaughan and Jabalpur stage are of Upper Jurassic. Above this, Umia stage is found. The marine transgression happened during Jurassic period, which has affected the Kathiawar region of Gujarat, and the deposit of Jurassic age of this area is known as Umia stage. Here, a term marine transgression is for you. How we can define the marine transgression? The temporary invasion of the sea into the land mass is known as marine transgression. This is the definition given by geologists about marine transgression. On the basis of above description, scholars has confirmed that the system continued for 175 million years. This is the system which gives the evidence of short period of climate change. The deposit of Gondwana system are found somewhere in very wide, while at some regions it is found in patches. The Gondwana system is at last famous for coal deposits. It is fact that during deposition of Gondwana system, the Gondwana land was there where the present southern continents were all together. Therefore, we correlate the Indian Gondwana system with Karoo system of South Africa, Santa Catarina system of Brazil, and Kamilaroi system of Australia. Thank you.